Hello everyone. Here we are on a Tuesday afternoon, the 14th of January 2020. It is an overcast, drizzly, miserable day today. The temperature is around 44 degrees and just has that awful raw feeling outside. But we haven't been out for a couple of days flying the drone, so we went out a little bit and flew the drone around the Clearview project there. There are some changes that have been made. Where the old garage is, between there and the new house, they made some changes in there. And the usual, just go down in the comment section and click on the link for a previous video, and you'll be able to compare the two and see what changes have been made. So have a good day, everyone. We'll catch you later. Goodbye.